In thermodynamics, next concept I am going to explain Joule-Thomson effect. The Thomson is given the concept of the changes of temperature and pressure, the what happen in the system and surrounding, between the system and surrounding the system at high pressure to low pressure. What he was observed in that one, we was explained by that statement. It was given as what is mean by the Joule-Thomson effect. Joule-Thomson is given the some statement. That statement is the phenomenon of change of temperature produced when gas is made to expand adiabatically. When the gas is expanding adiabatically from high pressure region to low pressure region is called as Joule-Thomson effect. The phenomena changes of the temperature is produced when the gas is made to expand adiabatically from the high pressure region to low pressure region is a Joule-Thomson effect. This is the statement was given by Joule-Thomson. In Joule-Thomson effect, that is Joule-Thomson effect is zero in ideal gases. Next, van der Waals force of attractions are present. They are negligible. That means in the meaning is there is no expenditure. There is no expenditure of energy. Now see, one more time repeating. Joule-Thomson effect always zero in for ideal gases. The van der Waals forces present in the effect, they are also negligible. Now there is no expenditure of the energy also, though there is no expansion, attraction negligible, and the effect is become zero. Now in this case, the Joule-Thomson, the symbol is given. Joule-Thomson symbol is given, that represented by mu Jt. This is given by Joule-Thomson. The symbol is given mu Jt is equal to, is given the standard formula dou T by small, dou means very small change, dou T by dou P at constant enthalpy. Now this one is equal to, we can write one more method, that is dou H by dou P at constant T and molar heat capacity at constant pressure. Now from this equation, mu Jt is equal, from the van der Waals relation, it is a 2a by RT minus B into 1 by Cp. This is the formula was given, standard formula was given by Joule-Thomson. Here in this equation, A and B, these are A and B are van der Waals constant. Now in this case, from this one, if mu Jt is become 0, then Ti is equal 2a by rb. 2a by rb we can calculate. And now the Ti is the inversion temperature. Inversion temperature. Ti is the inversion temperature. Now you can assume Joule Thomson, that is a mu Jt to be constant. The overall a small pressure. Overall pressure is very small. Small pressure. Then the above reaction we can write as above equation we can write as delta T is equal delta H by delta P by Cp, molar heat capacity, into it is delta P. This is also we can write. Now in this one, delta T is fall of temperature, and delta P is fall of pressure. Now from this equation, delta T is equal to delta H by P, delta T by Cp into delta P. Now in this one, delta T is fall of temperature. Temperature is going to decrease. Delta pressure is also fall of that pressure. It is also going to decrease the temperature. Now it is a very important point. It is a exam point of there asked so many times. When an ideal gas is expanded in the vacuum, does not work. No work means no work is happening in the system. Now because of the pressure against which is it, the expansion is become zero. Then it is a zero means W is equal P external pressure delta is equal to 0. It is become 0 means total is become 0. Now we know from the first law of thermodynamics, delta E is equal to Q plus P delta Q plus W. It is from the first law of thermodynamics. In this case, internal energy also become 0. It will become 0 because of temperature become 0. Now this is also very important. In the adiabatic condition, no change takes place from internal energy. Then we can write as dou E by dou V at the constant temperature is become constant. This is also very, very important become. Now and one more, that is a PV is equal to constant under isothermal process, isothermal conditions. PV is equal to 0. That is a constant. PV is equal to constant under isothermal process. This is the equation very, very important. The Joule-Thomson effect. They are asked in the previously in the NEET or IIT exam MCQs, theoretical MCQs. They are asking expand the idea against pressure. They ask the question. The word is present, it become 0. Now when the ideal gas expand and adiabatically they given the question, it become answer also 0. This is the key words when we are reading the question. The against pressure is given, the become 0. Now adiabatic condition is given, the question also become 0. Now this is a very standard formulas we can use for the calculation. You can remember, very useful for you.